High demand Markham location. 4+3 bedrooms, well thought out floor plan with finished basement apartment. With work-up separate entrance. Hardwood floor on main and second floor, 2018. Throughout, family room with fireplace and sun-filled eat-in kitchen. Crown molding, new painting, no sidewalk, lots of pot lights. Private deck and yard. Potential rental income. Upgraded roof and furnace, close to all amenities. Steps to school, park, TTC, York Transit. Close to no frills, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Costco, Winners, Shoppers Drug Mart, restaurant and Highway 407. Extra stainless steel fridge, cooktop stove, stainless steel range hood. Washer dryers, basement fridge, stove, all window coverings. All light fixtures, garage door opener with remote, central air condition, furnace, hot water tank.